Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding syrup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need sugar, cocoa powder, and water. Accurately measuring these is key for a delicious result. Combine 1 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder in a saucepan. Then, add 1 cup of water. This easy method ensures a smooth, rich syrup every time. Get ready for a sweet treat. Now that your ingredients are combined, it's time to cook. Place the saucepan over medium heat and whisk everything together until smooth. Continue stirring as the mixture slowly comes to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Remember to stir frequently to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. This step develops the rich flavor and perfect thickness. After simmering, carefully remove your saucepan from the heat. The syrup will look a bit thin at this stage, but don't worry. As it cools, it will thicken beautifully to that perfect, pourable consistency. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature before transferring. Once cool, pour your delicious homemade pudding syrup into an airtight container. It's ready to enjoy on ice cream, pancakes, or anything you desire. Your homemade pudding syrup is now ready to elevate any dish. Drizzle it generously over ice cream, stir it into milk for chocolate milk, or pour it on pancakes and waffles. This simple recipe makes about 2 cups of rich, flavorful syrup, perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. It's so much better than store-bought. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.